Love without reason is chaos. Reason without love is cold. But when love and reason walk together, relationships thrive. That balance is the Stoic key. In America today, couples often swing between emotional intensity and detached logic. But what if the secret to healthy relationships was harmony between the heart and the mind? Imagine loving fully with passion and care, yet guided by reason, discipline, and virtue. That's the balance of love and reason. Stoic principles for healthy relationships. Welcome to Stoic Blend, where ancient wisdom meets modern life. Today, we'll explore the balance of love and reason, Stoic principles for healthy relationships. Why love alone is not enough. In the US, countless relationships begin with intense passion but collapse within years. Why? Because love without wisdom cannot sustain itself. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it." Passion, unchecked by reason, often leads to betrayal, lies, and mistakes. The Stoics saw love as powerful, but only safe when disciplined by reason. This is why the balance of love and reason, Stoic principles for healthy relationships, is timeless. Why reason alone is not enough. Epictetus said, "If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid." Love often seems foolish, but it is necessary. Reason alone can make relationships cold, transactional, lifeless. Love without warmth is not partnership, but contract. In American marriages, couples who treat love like business arrangements often lack intimacy. Reason must guide, but love must warm. Lesson 1. Passion guided by virtue. Seneca taught, "No man is more unhappy than he who never faces adversity, for he is not permitted to prove himself." In love, passion will test you. Jealousy, desire, longing. But Stoics guided passion through virtue. Practical habit. Ask, does this action reflect justice, honesty, and courage? Let love inspire generosity, not manipulation. Channel desire into loyalty, not selfishness. In US dating culture, unchecked passion leads to toxic cycles. Passion guided by virtue builds healthy bonds. Lesson 2. Reason anchored in compassion. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "If it is not good for the hive, it is not good for the bee." Reason must not become cold detachment. Stoics used reason to serve others, not dominate them. Practical habit. In conflict, seek solutions, not victory. Use reason to calm, not to belittle. Remember, empathy and logic are not enemies. In American families, many arguments end in endless logic battles. Who's right? Who's wrong? Stoic wisdom says, be reasonable, but also compassionate. Lesson 3. The Stoic practice of balance. Epictetus advised, first, say to yourself what you would be, and then, do what you have to do. Balance in relationships requires conscious practice. Don't let emotions control decisions. Don't let reason erase warmth. Live daily in harmony. Think clearly, feel deeply, act justly. In US culture, the healthiest marriages show this balance: partners who love passionately but also plan wisely, who feel deeply but act rationally. Modern applications in relationships. Dating. In American dating, many rush with emotion, then regret. Balance means slowing down, guided by reason, warmed by love. Marriage. In long marriages, passion pools, but reason keeps the union strong. Finances, parenting, duty, love rekindled with gratitude keeps the bond alive. Friendship. In toxic friendships, love makes excuses. Reason says, set boundaries. The Stoic way combines care with wisdom. Love and reason as one. Marcus Aurelius reflected, love only what happens, and love it with all your heart. This means, let reason teach acceptance, and let love teach gratitude. The two are not separate, they are partners. Conclusion. The Stoic secret to healthy relationships. Love and reason are not opposites, they are complements. The Stoics teach us, passion must be guided by virtue. Reason must be anchored in compassion. Balance requires daily practice. This is the balance of love and reason. Stoic principles for healthy relationships. So tomorrow, in your relationships, love fully, but think clearly. Feel deeply, but act wisely. That balance is the Stoic path. Subscribe to Stoic Blend for more wisdom and build relationships that last through balance.